Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cloud and Data with Kaushik. So today we are going to see that how as a first time user how we can logged into our AWS account. Okay, if I have to work in the AWS, then it obvious that I have to create one logged in the AWS site, right? And this all the steps that I'm going to share with you. So that will be step-by-step process. Okay. So if I am the first time user, then how can I log into my AWS management console or AWS account, right? So if you are in the Google, right, that you can see I'm in the google.com page, right? Now you have to just search in that AWS management console. Just click on AWS management console. Okay, and you can see this is a very first link you will get over there, AWS management console. This is the first link you will probably get if you are doing along with me of or you are follow these things along with me. So you also have this type of page in your site, right? So you'll get the very first link, AWS management console, right? Just search AWS management console in the search bar that I have already searched over there. So you have write AWS management console, and then you will get probably this link. This is the very first link you have to click over there. Just click on AWS management console. Now, after clicking the AWS management console, you will get that first landing page of the AWS, where they have provide their details and their links, and you can see that product, solution, pricing, documentation, learn, AWS marketplace. There are separate different kind of links also they have provided, and you will see that they have provided a free AWS training, AWS free digital training. So you'll get probably this kind of links also be there, right? Now, our agenda is that I have to uh, create my own account, own AWS account, right? So you can see you have got this link, complete sign up, right? You have this link, complete sign up, and you have my account page. Okay, so you have clicked that my account. When you hover on the my account, you'll probably get AWS management console. This is the first link that you have to click, or you can go complete sign up. You have to click over there, or either you will get you will go that AWS management console. Anywhere you can go. That's not an issue. Just I will just go with that AWS management console. Okay, or you can go with that complete sign up AWS management console. That's not an issue. Anywhere you can go. Just click AWS management console, and you will see that this page where you can see sign in, and you have two accounts, root user and IAM user. And currently I'm not going to discuss this thing because I don't have any account, so this is not relevant to me. I have to first, my target is I have to create my own AWS account. Okay, and you can see if you just scroll down, and you can see the new to AWS, right? And below to new to AWS, you have one link, create a new AWS account, right? You have probably get this link, create a new AWS account. Just click over there. I hope you will also get this kind of page at your end also if you are doing this thing, and probably you will get that create AWS account, create a new AWS account. Just click over there, create a new AWS account. Just click. Once you click your new AWS account, you can see that the title of the page is changed. It's showing AWS console sign up. That means this is the my sign up page. Okay, this is the very first page for your sign up, but you directly not getting this page. You have to write this AWS management console, or either you have this URL, then you can probably got this step. But no issues. I have to provide these things. So I just click not because I have to create from the scratch. Okay. So now you will get this page. You have to just click portal.aws.amazon.com. Now you will get this page. Sign up for AWS. You also get root user email address and AWS account name. So two value you have to provide. Root user email address and AWS account name. So if you have at least one Gmail account, then you can create that your sign up for AWS. But you don't have any Gmail account, so my suggestion is that you have to go and create your own Gmail account first. Once you have your own Gmail account, you can probably sign up for your AWS. So at least one Gmail account or mail account is required. Okay, so I have my own email address. So with that email address, I'm going to create my root user. This is the very first step you have to do, right? This step you have to follow as when you are going to create your root user. So used for account recovery and some administrative function you have to provide, and also you have to provide your AWS account name, which you can also be changed later after creating your AWS account. This name you can also change your, and this information is also be there. You can see choose a name for your account. You can change this name in your account setting after you sign up. So this name you can also change. So now I'm going to add my own email address. I hope you also have your own email address, and you can see it's showing the validation. If I will click the verify email address, that means two validation error are showing. That means this is mandatory field we have to provide. And you can see I'm not going to proceed further. Na? When I click verify email address, we can see that two email address is required. Means and one is email address, another is your account. But these two fields is mandatory for creating your AWS account, right? So now I'm going to add my own AWS account. So just I'm going to write data. Okay. So you have this kind of mail account with you, and now I have to provide my AWS account name, or you can say it's the allies name that you have to provide. Then you have to proceed further. Okay. So just write Kaushik underscore creative. Okay. This name you can add at your end. This name can be changed anything as per your choice. You can provide this name, and this is my email address. This is my root user email address that I have to provide. Now, once you have supplied these two information, and now you have to click your verify email address. Just click on verify email address. Just click this link, right? You have to see verify email address. Verify email address. Just click this link. Verify email address. Just click, and now you can see the my email, the email which ever email I have provided to the AWS, that has been that has to be verified. So in order to verify, they will provide me that email. They will send me an verification code, and it is also written that we sent an email with a verification code to this mail ID. I hope you have this mail ID. This kind of not obvious this mail ID. You have your own email ID. So with that email ID, you can you will get your verification code, right? So once you have to check at your end your verification code is there or not. Okay. So once you have your own verification code, then also we are going to add this verification code over there. Okay. Now you can see you have this kind of verification code at your end. Just copy that verification code, and it is valid within the 10 minutes. So basically it will be invalid after the 10 minutes. So you have this mail from the AWS, this kind of mail, right? AWS email verification. Okay. You will get this kind of mail from the AWS site, and you have to verify your email address and your verification code they will also provide. Just go to that AWS console and you have to add in the verification code. Now, once you provide the verification code, then you have to verify. Then click on the verify side, verify button, right? Just click, and you don't have to get that code, the verification code. You have to just click on the recent code, and then AWS will again send that verification code at your end. So don't worry, you will get surely that AWS verification code, right? Now you have to add your verification code. Now I am going to click that verify. I am going to create, I am going to verify my account, right? Just click on verify. Okay. Now AWS has given me one message. It's you, your email address has been successfully verified. So we have touched the very first step. We have successfully verified my email account with the AWS. That we understood, right? AWS provide me some verification code. Once I have logged in with my Gmail account, you require one Gmail account. Once you logged in, once you provide the Gmail account, then you have to click on that. You have to provide that you have provide this information, and you have to create your account. Once you have to create your account, if your account is verified from the AWS side, they will provide your email verification code. This is there, that is called the email verification. Okay, they will provide the email verification code in your email box, in your mailbox. Then you have to take that code, and you already seen that 6-digit code, right? You will get that this 6-digit code at your end. Okay, this number can be anything, whatever AWS is provided to you, right? Now once you provide this, then AWS send you a message that your email address has been successfully verified. Now what I am going to do, I have to create my own password, root user password. So if you are doing along with me, so you also get this kind of page, and from here you have to provide your password, whatever you like to do, you can provide at your end. So I'm going to use my own password, and you can see all the case that has to be satisfied with your password, right? So you have to provide your uppercase letter, lowercase letters. It can be one number. These can be all mixed, and then you have to mixed one, right? And non-alphanumeric character. So if I'm not providing this any one of them, right? I'm not providing the uppercase or anything. You can see automatically it will unchecked, right? It will unchecked, or it will uncheck these things. Okay, it will uncheck, and it will telling me. So whatever I have provided, only two conditions are satisfied. That means I am not providing uppercase letter, I am not providing non-alphanumeric character. Only I provide lowercase and numbers. So make sure your these four conditions should be satisfied, and then you can also create your own password, right? So again, I have to add my own password. You can add your own password at your end. That's not an issue. And now you can see all four condition is satisfied from my side, and password must be at least 8 characters. So at least it has to be 8 characters long, and it has content at least three of the following, at least three of the following. Okay, at least three, not four, at least three of the following. So out of four condition, at least three condition should be satisfied when you are going to create your own custom password in AWS. Okay, I hope it is you can understood. Now same thing you have to repeat over here. Same thing you have to repeat over here. Okay, same thing you have to repeat. Now you have to click on continue, step 1 of 5. Now you have to continue the first step, right? I have verified my account, I have verified my email account, then I have provided my username, I provide my password. Once I have provided my password, that same password I have to repeat over here. to confirm whatever password I have provided. This is also the same. Now I have to click on continue. Step 1 of 5. Just click on continue. Now you can say that you have to provide that necessary information from your end. Okay, so you have to just add this one. I'm not going to add all that address, all kind of things. Okay, I'm just going to add my name. So any name I can provide, no issue. Okay, and also this thing I just skip this page. Okay, you have to provide all the things over there. So you'll get this step 1, and then we have to add the third step. Okay, so you can do at your end whatever the information, like you have to provide the full name, you have to provide your phone number, you have to provide your country, you have to provide your address, city, whatever the information that they have to ask. So please confirm these things, and you also see that they have also given the free tier offers. Always free, never express, 12 months free they have provided. Start from initial sign up date. So when you sign up with the AWS, they will provide you that 12 months free and trials. So this kind of free tier offers they will provide. And one more thing, that contact information, how do you plan to use AWS? So obviously you can just choose personal for your own project. If you are practice, if you are doing for your business, then obviously you can choose this one. Any one of them you can choose. And as per that, you can see, and you can see that that value, that drop down, that value is changed, right? So if you click on personal, then only this kind of information they will ask. Okay, so please fill up all the information for step 2, and then we'll catch up with the step 3. Okay, now once you complete the step 2, now you have to provide your billing information over here, right? So you can see your KD dot debit card number they will ask for. They will ask for that initial verification. They only charge minimal account of I think rupees 2 or 3. Okay, for the INR, or as per your currency they will charge minimal. So you can see that temporarily hold up to $1 USD. Okay, we may temporarily hold up to $1 USD or an equivalent amount in local currency. So they will charge up to these things. We will not charge you for uses below AWS pre-tier limit. We may temporarily hold secure verifications. For that, you need to provide your credit card or debit card information from your side. Then probably they will allow you to enter into their AWS console. Okay, so this is the third step. So you will provide your own accounts number, cardholder name, security, any debit card information. Okay, once you complete it, then we'll catch up again you step 4. Okay, now once you have completed all the steps, like these 4 or 5 steps, just basically you have to provide your bank account details, and then they will verify it. I already have my own account, so I'm not going to see this step because this is just secure page. Okay, so bank information details you have to provide at your end, and you will get your notification that you have successfully verified your all the details. Then now you have to again come your AWS Amazon.com, and this is the console, right? AWS management console. So I already have my own account. So I just click my AWS management console over here. Now you have to click over there, AWS management console. Now you have to provide your root user. Okay. So I already created my root user. I already have my own password. So I have to click on sign in. So I already have one account. So just showing these things. So what account you have created and every steps you have followed, right? Up to 3, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, all the steps, right? You have to provide the bank details, bank account number, all the information you have to provide, and then you have to come enter again your root account. So you have to add your root user, you have to root your email address. So this is this account I already have, so that is the reason I'm going to create this one. My whatever account type showing demo how to create. So this is different because I already have this account. So I'm not going to verify that thing my side. So but please you make sure you have to verify. And once you have verified, you get the mail address from the AWS site, and then you have to take that email address over here. Okay. So I already my email address over in my I already verified this account. So that is the reason I'm going to create this one. Okay, root user. Just go and click next over there, and you have to provide that password. Now you have to use sign in as a root user. Okay, and you can see you just drop down. You can see the sign in page is for AWS account root user that have provided account email to sign in using IAM user credential. Choose sign in a different account. So you can also sign in with the different account. uh, you can see sign in your different account. You have this link also, so you can also click that. You have the different accounts, you have to create multiple accounts, no issues. You can, but each and every account should be verified at your end with the AWS. Okay, now I have to provide the password. Okay, just click on sign in, just click on sign in. And if everything is okay, AWS has verification is done. I already have verified this account. You can see that the link is changed already, and this is your first. This will be your first landing page. Okay, this kind of page you may get. Okay, or you can see console home. So this is the page you will get, but there EC2 IAM you will not get, because if you are very first time user, you have not used any service or you have not used anything from that account, right? So this might be something different. Now you can get this kind of link, right? You are in which region, and by default I that will be West East one, I think that, or the link will be there. You can see useastconsole.com. You get this kind of link, you can get this kind of page, and you can see you can also remove the widgets. If I don't want to see that widget, so you can also remove that widget. You can also remove these widgets. Okay, you can also remove this widget, no issues. So you can see that bill, everything, cost uses, so everything you can see over there, right? So you can add your widgets, you can also add your widgets, so anything it can be customizable. So don't worry, you can use that one. I hope you can understood this, how we can get this link, how we can land to after creating my user, right? And you can see if you click over there, so you have this account ID. At your end you also have your own account ID, and you have your own username, and when you click on the drop down, you might be get this account ID. Okay, so no issues. I hope you can successfully created your own AWS account, and all the steps, all description I will add in the description box, so it will be easier, and I will add some PDF files, so you can easily go through that, and you can get to logged in your AWS account. This tutorial for those who are not logged in, those who are very first time user in the AWS, and they might be stuck how we can console, how we can create inside the AWS site. So this tutorial might be for those people, though they are very first time user in the AWS. I hope you can understood how we have to logged in the AWS site, and others services, everything I will discuss step by step, no issues. You just stay with us, stay tuned with us in my channel, that is uh, Cloud and Data with Kaushik. So please stay tuned with us, and please subscribe my channel, and in this way we can grow and learn together. and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. This is my request to all of you, and we can connect together. If you have any problem, then please let me know in the comment box. Then definitely we can connect, we can respond. Thank you, and then finally, I can say thank you everyone for joining the session. Thank you each and everyone. Thank you for joining the session. And please subscribe my channel. Please share it to your friends and please follow this channel. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining.